Hey, how's it going, guys? I'm so pumped for today because we're going to be talking about a way for us to make something by doing something that's completely fun for a change. So if you enjoy watching movies, if you like playing video games and reading comic books, then this video is for you because you get to do all of those things and make some cold hard cash in the process that's sent straight into your PayPal account. So if you're curious and if you want to learn how this is possible, then do stick around because I'll be telling you everything about it in this video. This is Next Level Finance, the channel where we teach you the best, the simplest, and most legit ways to make money online. And if you're someone who's constantly on the lookout for ways to grow your income, then make sure that you like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below to join our growing community because we'd love to help you reach all of your financial goals. Also, comment below where in the world you're from and what you want us to talk about next so we can get to know each other just a little bit better. And with all of that said, let's go make some money! The very first thing that you would need to do would be to get comfortable. Take out some popcorn and a laptop, maybe even your smartphone or a TV. Kick back, relax, and watch a movie. After you do that, I want you to visit this website and earn between $15 to $150 for completing between 1 to 10 tasks. It's super simple, and let me show you all of the simple steps right away. So this website features movie, video game, and comic book reviews, which you can check out yourself. Or if you want to be financially savvy, then you can also use this website to not just read reviews on your favorites, but to actually make you some extra bucks on the side. Actually pays people to create those reviews, and as long as you're passionate about any or all of those three things, then you can definitely make money on this website. Now don't you worry, I promise this is easy and I will show you how exactly you can pull this off. You don't need to be a professional writer or even have any writing experience for that matter. All they need is someone who's passionate about the subject and someone who has clear grammar, which you don't have to worry about because I will teach you a way that you can do this without any writing skills whatsoever. The best thing about this gig is that you can choose any movie and any genre that you want. You can rewatch an old favorite, you can catch something that's available on TV this very minute, or you can even check something new out. It doesn't really matter. You'll get paid $15 per review just the same. And you can do this for a maximum of 10 times per month or for a total of 10 reviews per month. But if you need the extra cash, then there's also a workaround to this. The maximum of 10 per month is per email address. So as long as you have more than one email address and PayPal account, then you can easily double or triple what you make on this website. Now this all seems pretty simple, very lenient, and it is. The only real guidelines that they give is that each review should contain at least 550 words, give the movie, game, or comic book a score between 1 to 10, and be original. No plagiarism allowed, which means that you cannot copy reviews that you find online word for word. But don't worry, one way that you can pull this off and still get paid is by using a paraphrasing tool. There are several free ones that are super simple to use. I've done a whole other video talking about this in further detail previously, so do check it out for more options. One free paraphrasing tool that I can recommend would be quillbot.com. It's really easy to use. All you need to do would be to look for a good quality movie review, copy the text, paste it onto Quillbot. Here, let me show you. Right, so you can do it like so. Click on this green button that says paraphrase and voila, you have a brand new review for yourself. Now, because Quillbot is a free tool that uses AI, you can't expect it to be 100% perfect, right? So before submitting your review to Animation Arena, I would suggest that you use the free version of Grammarly just to double check the grammar and spelling of your work. This way you can be sure that your work is not only original, but also grammatically sound. Just a quick reminder to those of you who aren't already subscribed to please not forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bells below because it's super simple to do and it also really helps us with the YouTube algorithm. Now, if you find that you're always busy and you don't have much time to watch movies, then another way that you can maximize your results is by using this other platform called CashKick. Cashkick.com is the website, and over here you can watch short video clips instead of movies and also get paid. Besides watching short clips, there are a few other tasks that you can complete and get paid directly in your PayPal account. So on this platform, all you would need to do would be to sign up for a free account and then look for videos to watch to start earning right away. The payout threshold on this platform is actually quite low at only $5, and you'll be able to cash out already. So guys, I want you to picture this. As you're lounging around in bed after a long day at work, you're browsing videos, and without really thinking about it, you're already making money as well. I think it's a fantastically lazy way to make money online. So there are two ways to sign up on CashKick, and both ways are free. The first way would be through its website, cashkick.com. Just enter your email address and password of choice right here on the front page, and after verifying your account, you should be good to go. The second way would be by downloading the CashKick app, which you can also do so really easily, and then sign up the same way. Once you're in, you should be able to access videos as well as all the other tasks that they have available on their platform, so you can start earning through your PayPal account. The best part in all of this is that earning money on this platform is not something you need to do actively. You can simply click on a video, leave it to play as you do whatever you want or need to do, and watch your earnings grow. Pretty neat, right? Well, there you have it, guys. 2 lazy ways and platforms that can really help you make a little bit of money doing something fun, doing things that you already love to do. So which platform do you think you'll try out first? Please let us know in the comments section below. I'm dying to know. Or if you have other great ideas, then do feel free to share them with our community over here. I've noticed how engaged you all have gotten recently, and I just wanted to thank you for being so willing to share, to motivate, and just help everyone out. I read each and every one of your comments and appreciate every single one of you. And as always, if you found any value in today's content, then please do show us some love by leaving us a like, a share, and also don't forget to subscribe and smash that notification bell while you're at it. If you want to learn more money-making ideas, then do check our other videos out. I'll be leaving some links in the description box and comments section for you, so please do check those out. Also, let us know what you want to see next, and we'll make sure to include it in the video lineup. Alrighty guys, take care and I'll see you again next time.